Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back again. So I just finished the Dollar Tree pour. And I was about to empty the paint into the container. I told y'all I keep the drippings and use it later. And it has this beautiful design. So I just thought I'm going to try, I've seen this done before, like where you just press the canvas down. Instead of using a canvas, I'm going to use this watercolor paper that I had bought and hadn't used yet. Not for watercolors, but I bought it for this. So, I've never tried this before. I know y'all can't see like the whole thing, but isn't that pretty? It looks like, I don't even know. Yeah, I can't pull it all the way out, but okay, I'm just gonna go. So, I'm just gonna lay the paper down. I don't know why I'm so nervous to do this. I mean, it seems so simple. Gently, just patting, gently, gently. I don't know how to lift it straight up. Okay. It looks like a pretty leaf. It looked like fire or feather. And I thought it would come out different, but hey, I tried it. Okay, and there's still some paint on here, so let's just try it again and see what happens with the next one. So now it looks like this. It does look like a leaf. So let's go up a little. Should we stay low or go up high? Let's stay down here. I mean, when you're doing something, especially, I mean, artistic at all, but like, you know, with kids, like this is something really fun. You get another piece of artwork out of it. It looks like a leaf again. I think it looks pretty. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. I'm glad I tried it. Look at that. It looks really pretty. Okay. That's it. Or is it? Should I try another one? I didn't take out another piece of paper. No, I think I'm going to call it. Thank you. I just wanted to show y'all that. Thank you for watching, and you have a beautifully blessed day. Don't waste paint.